How to change the formation on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, and let's get started. To start up with, what is a false nine? A false nine formation means that you have an extra striker. Generally, there are two strikers on your team. But if you have an extra striker, you place an extra striker and the formation is said to be the false nine. So, how can we do this on Premier League or Fantasy Premier League? So, first of all, you have to identify the extra forward. To do so, go to the fantasy and pick team. Once you have identified the extra forward on your bench, you need to now substitute a defender or midfielder for the forward. To substitute, you just have to tap on it and then you will see the option to substitute. Once you click on substitute, you will now have to select the forward that you want to bring. And once this is done, you need to confirm. The confirmation box or the button is on the top right corner and you should be good to go. Your formation now will automatically adjust to accommodate the three strikers and you will see it on your lineup as well. And this is how you can get it done on your Premier League. That is all for today's video. If you have got any queries, make sure to drop on the comment section. Till then, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.